Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by revealing what word hides. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 to show paragraph marks and hidden breaks so you can see why a line exists. Once visible, click in the left margin next to the text or triple-click the paragraph to select the entire line. This ensures you remove the exact element. If the cursor lands mid-text, hold Shift and press End or Home to grow the selection to the line end or start. Doing this prevents accidentally removing adjacent content. Once the line is selected, press Delete or Backspace to remove it. Be aware that paragraph marks may remain and create an empty line. If multiple blank lines appear, use Find and Replace. Search for PP and replace with P to collapse repeats. Repeat until clean. For stubborn lines caused by tables, borders, or section and page breaks, show formatting and delete those specific objects. Make sure to inspect the paragraph border settings, because a visible line may be a border, not text. To finish, remove residual styling by selecting the area and using clear formatting so spacing and fonts reset. Then save your document. If the layout shifts, immediately use Undo Ctrl plus Z and try a different deletion method, such as deleting a break or border instead of the paragraph. If a line won't go away, check for document protection, track changes that must be accepted, or a paragraph border. Disable protection or accept changes, then delete the border. This fixes most persistent lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.